Hey, you're here with Donnie, and I'm here to talk about the fluid levels in your vehicle. Let's get rolling. There's brake fluid, oil, antifreeze, and so on. Just like your body needs water, your car needs fluid to run strong and healthy. Today, I'm gonna tell you about the 6 main fluids to keep your car rolling. Oil, one of the most important fluids, should be checked regularly. We did a video on how important oil is earlier this year. Check that out so you can learn all about oil. Coolant and antifreeze keeps your engine running cool and from not overheating. Please do not check your antifreeze or coolant while your engine is running hot. It can cause it to burst or explode. Your antifreeze should be checked every 50,000 miles. The next fluid we're going to cover is power steering fluid. Power steering helps it and makes it easier for you to navigate your vehicle. If your power steering fluid levels go low or your power steering goes out, it's going to be very hard to steer your car. In order to check your power steering, you're going to need a dipstick or a reservoir checking system. Now, each vehicle requires a specific type of power steering fluid, so make sure you use the right fluid. One of the most important fluids for safety is brake fluid. Brakes fluid pumps through your braking system and helps you and is needed to stop your car. If your brake system runs out of brake fluid or has a leak, your brakes will go straight to the ground or feel spongy and it'll be very hard to stop. Your brake system has a reservoir and it can easily be inspected, but we do suggest you go to professionals to check your brakes. Transmission fluid is required to keep your vehicle moving. Without transmission fluid, your gears can slip or your car may not move at all. Now, some vehicles have a dipstick in which you can check your transmission fluid. If not, take your vehicle to your favorite service center so that they can check your fluids for you. Lastly, washer fluid. We all know washer fluid. Washer fluid keeps your windows clean in different situations. There's a reservoir under your hood in which you can always add more washer fluid. Now, the most important thing when it comes to all fluids is to make sure you're adding the correct amount and the correct fluid. In order to do this, we do suggest that you take your car to a service center for inspection. If you liked our video, please hit the like button, drop some comments so we can hear what you have to say.